people, you amazing people, and today I am review a Nerf gun review. So this well most of my weapons are or some of my weapons are have attachments. Most of them actually don't. So hold on. What the? Hey, this is the Recon Mark II. I customized it with the Retaliator attachments, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I also had the stand. I have these. I don't know what they're called, like Maverick Rev something.
Junior's coming.
I don't care. Okay. I have two pistols that are elite. Oh, hold on. There's gonna be a train. I gotta pause. Okay, I got this pistol. I really don't know the name. It's not actually Nerf. This sniper. So, yeah. I have a Mega Roto Fury. I have a Zombie Strike crossbow thingy. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like that one. I have the Retaliator with attachments. So and also an elite something. It's cool. It is really cool. I have that's a big weapon. I got that a long time ago. Rapid Strike, something thingy. I like that one, but it gets jammed a lot now. And then finally I have the Strong Arm. It's actually really good. So, thank you guys for watching. Might do other reviews of stuff. So, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. So, bye.